Pop-Pops Bees, Funny Bug Bees and Woodworks. Caught this one 4/16. Today's the 21st. So this was the big swarm that was hanging on the front in Brixton, the front of the hive. It was so big I had to go put in the hive. This one was caught there right after that one. So they've been in the box since 4/16. So that's what, 5 days. Well, I brought over a 10 frame. Looks like I should have gone with a 5 on this one. I don't know. We're gonna see. I already got a 10 here. It ain't gonna hurt nothing. I'll just give them some extra frames, give them some drone frame. They've drawn that out because that ain't my bait frame. This is my bait frame here. She's laid it up. Laid that side up. She's laid both sides of that frame up. What I may do is, that's a heavy little frame right there. She's laying pretty, like she's shooting bullseyes. There she is. She's a pretty thing. She's big. Goodness gracious, she's big. Big old caramel queen. I like her. There she is. I'm not sure if y'all can see her or not. No wonder she ain't having no trouble hitting them holes, cause she is putting it on it now. She's a pretty thing. I love it. Oh, caramel color. Let's see if we can get her to flip over. Come on, darling. There you go. Look at that. That queen there. That's a pretty queen. All right, we're gonna get her marked. Found my green marker. I imagine it's right where I left it. That's how it usually works. I'm gonna go ahead and give her some more drawn frames, because they ain't burning the world up on the wax drawing. So, well, there's my green pen over there. Go get it. Or there is a green pen. I don't know if it's the one I started with or not, because I got mess all over the yard. That way you can always get your hands on it when you need it. Alright, let's give her a little makeup. Boy, she is swole up big. I do likes her. She's pretty. Put her there, let her makeup dry. It won't take her long with some drawn frames. They've laid that up to have a mess of bees laid up in this hive. She's pretty. Pretty, 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 pretty. So I'm gonna probably give her three drawn and 2 undrawn, and let them work on that some more. Pop-Pops Bees, Funny Bug Bees and Woodworks. That's the install on swarm number 15, 2025. Please like and subscribe. Y'all have a good day. Getting ready to do 16 next.